OET Reading, 42 questions in 60 minutes. It's not practically that easy, right? But still, the number of questions and the time period is fixed. We need to deal with this 42 questions in this 60 minutes itself. So what they are expecting from our side is make use of our critical thinking to deal with the questions. So to do so, we need to make use of some strategies as well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss one of those strategies. That is cause and effect technique in OET Reading. What do you mean by this cause and effect technique in OET Reading? For example, in the extract, they will be telling one cause and its effect. So normally, cause leads to effect. But when it comes to the option, they will be mentioning that effect leads to cause. So let's learn this technique through an example. For example, in the extract, they will be mentioning KSR2 gene mutation leads to hunger pang that may cause obesity. അതായത് KSR2 ജീൻ മ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ കാരണം ആൾക്കാരിൽ ഹങ്കർ പാങ്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നു, അത് ഒബീസിറ്റിക്ക് കാരണമായേക്കാം. But when it comes to the options, they will be telling that hunger pang leads to KSR2 gene mutation that may cause obesity. അതായത് ഹങ്കർ പാങ്സ് കാരണം KSR2 ജീൻ മ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നു, അത് ഒബീസിറ്റിക്ക് കാരണമാകുന്നു. But what they have done here is they just reversed the cause and effect technique. The cause was KSR2 gene mutation and the effect was hunger pang. But when it comes to the option, what they did is they reversed that option. So they said that hunger pang led to KSR2 gene mutation. So such options can be eliminated. So make use of this cause and effect technique in your OET reading and fetch higher scores. ഇതുപോലത്തെ കൂടുതൽ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് സ്ട്രാറ്റജീസ് അറിയാനായി ജോയിൻ Tiju's Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.